it's Chloe off of DIY Tricks, and I haven't posted in a while, sorry about that. But today, I'm going to be showing you how to make Coke slime. So I'm not actually going to be making it because I have too much stuff to do right now, but I'm going to tell you how to and what it looks like, okay? So let's get on to the video. So, what you're going to need is clear glue, and then you're going to need black food coloring and brown food coloring for like the beginning. Oh, also you're gonna need Stay Flow. It's an activator, or you can use any activator. It's fine, but if you use Tide or one of those kinds, it doesn't really work very well. So I suggest using Stay Flow. I don't use borax personally, but if you do, that's fine to use. So what you're gonna do first is pour the glue in, clear glue in, just mix it around, whatever you do. Don't add lotion into it or like shaving cream or anything else like that. So you're gonna add 1 drop of black food coloring and like 3 drops of brown food coloring. And then stir it and then add your activator, and then it will be like Coke slime. I know that was like really fast to talk and explain. So this is what it looks like. Whoa. Yeah, okay. It actually is stretchy, it's just really cold. It actually does look like Coke, and it does dye your hands a little bit. Okay, I've played with this like for the whole day basically, so it's dyed my hands, and I've played with other slimes, but look at that. It looks like Coke slime, and that's basically the recipe. And if you want to, you can add like perfume or scents, not perfume, but you can if you want to, into it to make it smell good. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to show you how to make, because I can basically make anything. So yeah, I know that was like a short video, but I couldn't make it like by myself. I'm not gonna make it, but it makes that color slime. It is so like good. It feels, mine that I made, it feels fluffy for some reason, but it's really cool. Thumbs up, and if you tried this, comment down below and tell me if it was good or not. So bye.